Hello, everyone. Hopefully, everyone can hear me. Hello, 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 everyone. So, I wanted to do a video on how to create a Facebook event. So, if you are hosting an event or wanting to host an event or wanting to host any type of event, gala, dinner, fundraising event, any type of event that you're wanting to host, I encourage you to do a Facebook event first. That's the first thing you would do. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how to properly, because anyone can create a Facebook event, but how to properly create a Facebook event. So with that being said, before I get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So what I'm going to do is share my screen. I'm going to show you how to properly create a Facebook event. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this. So what we have going on, we are having a vision board party. We're having a vision board party on December the 7th. We're actually going to be having one in Charlotte, North Carolina. So we're going to have it Charlotte, North Carolina. If you're in Charlotte, North Carolina, December the 7th, make sure you come out. If you are in Fayetteville, North Carolina, December the 7th, make sure you come out. If you are in Jackson, Mississippi, make sure you come out. We also have doing Chesterfield, Virginia, and one more, Atlanta, Georgia. If you're in Atlanta, Georgia, make sure you come out to the vision board party. So the one that I'm about to do is going to be specifically for Charlotte, the Charlotte location. If you are watching this and you're an ambassador for Women in Power, I just encourage you to, I'm going to do another video on how to do an event on your personal page. So for this particular event, I'm going to show you how to do an event on a business page. So if you have a business, you definitely want to set up your event on your business page. So the first thing you would need to do, of course, is go to your business page. So go to your business page. I'm going to Women in Power's page. This is where we're going to be having our event. So as you can see, I'm here. If you look over to the left side, look over to the left side right here. And as we are there, we're going to click on events. And as you can see, it says right here, it says create event. So we're going to click that. You're going to create an event. So Facebook have some good upgrades they've done. The picture matters. Do you hear me? Do not post a blurry picture. Make sure your picture is a picture that is geared toward what you are doing. If you have had a previous event like the one that you're creating, or if you haven't, make sure you find a really nice picture. If you can do a video, that's great. But if not, make sure the picture matters, okay? So what I'm going to do, because I already have a picture that I have been advertising, I'm going to pull a picture from my page. I'm going to go to home, and then I'm going to pull the picture from that. So if you're looking at this page, make sure you like our page and invite all of your friends to like our page, okay? So let's find a picture. Let's go down. For some reason, my signal is going crazy right now. So this is the picture I want, but I want the one without the save the date. So let's see if I can find one. If not, I'm just going to have to save a picture because we're doing a vision board party. So yeah, the one I want it to say save the date. So let me see if I can pull it from my personal page and see if I have it on there. I know I posted it. Just want to make sure. No. So I'm going to send the picture to my email. So this is another way you can do it. If you don't have a picture, you can send it to your email. I actually created that picture that you just saw. I created from Canva. Canva is a really good tool to use. So I'm just going to go back to my page. I'm going to go back to the page. I'm going to go to events over to the left, and then I'm going to create an event. Remember, pictures matter. Pictures matter. It's important. Your picture needs to be on point. Some ways you can get pictures though, you can, some ways you can get pictures, you can actually Google. You can actually Google, find some really good pictures on Google. That's normally where I get all of my pictures, So what I'm going to do, I'm going to save, what I'm doing is saving the picture. I may already have it on my phone because my phone is about to die. And if it dies, then I'm just going to have to show you all with the picture that I have. So I'm pulling this off of Canva, Canva. Canva, yep, it died. It's fine. So create an event. And I can change the event later or the picture later. But you don't want to, you want to make sure you have a picture. I'm just doing this for you all. So let's go back. So we're under create an event, and then with the name matters too. So you want to draw people in with the name. So depending on what type of event you're trying to do, you want to have a really good name. So what I'm going to, if you can comment below on this video on some different names, if you're trying to do an event and you want to comment on some different, comment your event name that you're wanting to do. And I can help you with some good names. So this one is going to be Write the Vision, then Vision Board Party. And you want to make sure it's all caps. So the caps is the starting of the word that you're doing. So write the vision board. This is important too. These are some really good tips I'm giving you. You don't want it to be lowercase on there. So I also have a picture now. Let's see how this picture is going to look. And I can adjust my picture. So we're going to do it like that. So you can't see the save the dates. It's a little trick. So we're going to do a description. So the description is write the vision, write the vision board party. Matter of fact, I'm winging it now. So you can just do a description. You need to have a description, at least 3 sentences. You are invited to the Write the Vision board party. I'm gonna put having a vision is important in business and in life. Come out and explore, and create your vision for your business. So, and then the category we're going to do is what's the category? We're going to do cause. We are a nonprofit, and then it only occurs once. And then we're going to do the date. It's going to be December the 7th, and this one is going to be, so the time, I think we decided on the time, we'll probably do 2 o'clock for the times. I think 3 hours is good. And then I'm going to, so the way I have it set up, so if you're an ambassador and you're watching this, I'm going to tag you. So when I tag you in as ambassadors, when I tag them, they just have to invite all of their friends to the event. And I'm going to do a video if you're watching this, you're not an ambassador and you want to know how to invite on automation to where you don't have to invite individually. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So make sure you watch that video. So I'm going to add all of my ambassadors on here. So make sure I invite everybody on here. Let's see, Chelsea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. We have more ambassadors. Let's see, Alicia. Let's see, Tamika. Let's see. Make sure I'm not missing anyone. Alicia, Vanna, Priscilla, Kara, Chelsea, Tamika, and Malithia, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm missing one person, maybe, or maybe not. Okay, so for right now, that's what we're going to do. And then we are going to add, you can add a schedule now. So if you're watching this, make sure, if you're an ambassador watching this for Women in Power, make sure you add this exact schedule. So at 2 o'clock, we're going to do meet and greet. And that's going to be, the date is the same day as the event. So we're going to put the 7, and then the time is going to be from 2 to 2:30. We're going to do 30 minutes of meet and greet. And then we're going to add another item. So from 2:30, let's see, from 2:30, right. Actually, yeah, we're going to do write the vision, because we need to write our vision down. The date is going to still be the 7th from 2:30 to 3. It's not going to be that long. And then at 3 o'clock, we're actually going to start the vision board. So we're going to start the vision board process. That's going to be from 3, it's probably going to be from 3 to 4:30. And we're going to save. And that's what we have. So I'm thinking about offering, childcare. And I may offer childcare. I'm not sure yet. I want to offer childcare. I'm not sure, so I'm going to leave it blank. And if I had a ticket link, I would add my ticket link here. It would be an Eventbrite link. But what I'm thinking about doing, I'm thinking about doing it to where I can do from my website. So I'm thinking about adding my website on here to where they can grab a ticket versus Eventbrite. So I just figured that part out. So, and we're going to put people can ask questions about your event on Messenger. So we're going to publish this, make sure it's good. Let's see. Write the vision, say you're invited, the date, the time, have the ambassadors there, we have a schedule, and then if we had a ticket link, which you will have if you are an ambassador, if you're just watching this video so you can learn how to do an event, you will put your ticket link here. But I think I want to, when I do my tickets, I am going to pull it from the website, only because I do want to draw traffic to my website, because we are trying to build our website up. So I'm going to do it from my website. So we're going to publish this event, and when I get ready to add my ticket link, I can just go on and just edit it. And this is how it looks. And then what I'm also going to do, if you want to do this, if you're an ambassador, please do this. I'm going to Google vision board party pictures. So I want to give people a feel. So what I would do, what I'm about to do is just add like different pictures to the event, so that way people can get a feel for, you know, what we're doing. If I can find some good ones. If not, I won't add any. Yeah, I don't see any good ones right now. So I'm gonna leave it blank, but yeah, that's basically how you would do an event on Facebook, which is really important on how you are actually doing it. So the next video I'm going to do is going to how to invite friends to your event. Because once you get your event, if you have a ton of friends, like how I do, I have almost 5,000 friends. then I can invite all of those people to the event. So you definitely want to do that if you are an ambassador watching this. You definitely need to do this. So I'm going to do another video on how to invite your friends. So thank you all for watching this video.